Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another 3D printing video, so let's get cracking. Today we are going to be working with the Artillery Sw-x4 Pro. Once again, we are going to zip out to their website, and I heard a rumor that there is some new firmware available. Let's find the support tab, download tab, and if we move down to the X4 Pro, bingo, March 19th, brand new firmware. Just so we can check it out, we've got a log, auto leveling, smoother process. There is optimization on the Z offset logic, optimization of the factory reset function, and we have the MCU abnormal error issues solved. Once again, note for our second flash, which I've already flashed earlier, I will add the factory mode text to the file. At this point, I'm going to insert my SD card. Note it says there's a problem, so I'll hit scan and fixed. I'll let it repair the drive. Notice it says successfully scanned, no errors were found, and bingo, it is loaded as F. Of course, time to download. Click the little download button. I'm going to store mine in my downloads folder and hit save. I'm going to use 7-zip for me to get where I want. I got to click here, choose 7-zip, and I want to extract it to that exact location. Bingo, it just gave us the 267.0315 MKSP file. Now we need to download factorymode.txt. Once again, same steps, save, put it in my download folder. As you can see, I've already got one. I'll just hit save again. I'm going to delete that one because I want the official one. And let's put the files in place. Copying the MKSP and factorymode.txt over. And now let's safely eject and head over to the 3D printer. All right, so let's plug in the SD card and power it on. We can hit Tool, and if we hit About, and the file is detected, we can update firmware. We have to wait about 20 seconds or so. Once it loads, we confirm. After a moment, the firmware starts to update, and this process took about 7 minutes. We can skip all that thanks to video editing, though, and you can see right here, it is finalizing the process. And this is real time. That's how quick the system comes back. Now here's where it gets a little weird. These values never changed after updating the firmware. All right, so I wanted to figure out what's going on here. If we return to the fluid interface and go to the console, if you send M115, it gives you the firmware name. As you can see here, I've got the 0.10-530 G3387A9C2-dirty firmware. And that is what it's been no matter which of the firmwares I put on there. So I'm curious if everybody else has got the same firmware or if I've got an issue with how the firmware is being updated. Any tips or comments you can add to the video would be appreciated. As I wrap up, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.